Ki he Shipai ni kiri ki berkentup ne India, Bhutan, Cambodia, Malaysia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Philippines, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Indonesia, bat Laos, kila pelong ya Jingiakynduh lang balai sngi Ktem Pyrton Shipai Rangmen Umroi, ban ye merjing mut bat ban pashat jing tip markeliang, halor ki phang, ban ye kun ye unong shun, ye ki le no bat ban wanra ye Jingiterilang hapadeng ki Pyrton Shipai jong kini kiri. Palat saus pangut kirang ba Shipai ne kini kiri kila keren halor ki kam yada bat ban wanra e kajing suk ling ba kajing trilang hapadeng kiri ki bedran saudong ya keduriau Indian Ocean. Ya kini Jingiakynduh lang la ai kerteng da kepragati Partnership of Regional Armies for Growth and Transformation in the Indian Ocean Region. Hakini Jingiakynduh lang la penlongru ya kajingpen inam le ni ki exhibition ye ki tiar thama ki kor ki bor sintiat ki drone, ki suloi penlim ye ki drone, ki radar sintiat drone, bat ling sun ye pom, bat bon ki kor ki adari, bagi karkhana kari India ki penmi na kebenta ki jingdan kam ki Shipai rengkau, dan ki army, ki Shipai ling sun ye pom, ki air force, bat ki Shipai duriau lani ki navy. Ka Khubor balayo ne ki bor Shipai kayat ho, ling ba kini Jingiakynduh lang jung kirang ba Shipai ne kini kiri, kala wanra ikamen sim ye terilang, Jingiashania markeliang, bat ikamen sim basbun ban pashat markeliang ya jingnang jingtip, ha jing start kapang ya dari. Layat ho baki he Shipai ne kini kiri Asia, kila let pai da jing hun jerut chala jong kari.
They got scared on hearing $65,000 over there.
Range 10 meters, which we are which we export to other countries.
Either, because if we stand there, we should see the gun, no? Okay, sir. Colonel Mulimani from Zen Technologies. Today we have what we have in front of you is the comprehensive, completely integrated anti-drone system manufactured indigenously, designed, developed and manufactured by Zen Technologies Limited. Okay, Zen Technologies has a completely comprehensive counter-drone solution starting from various sensors and large number of shooters, that is the threat mitigation options. So I'll just quickly cover each of them. The one you see in front of you is a vehicle mounted counter-drone system which has got a passive detector, an active radar and a electro-optical and infrared camera. Okay, so all those systems are available on this platform, and various sensors are put on masts so that you can raise them to whatever height for getting good coverage. Okay, in addition to this, the three sensors which I have mentioned, the threat mitigation options we have got again multiple. First of all, the soft kill, what you see on the left side with a lot of antennas, that is the jammer system. It has got, in India, we are at the highest level of spectrum coverage as well as the ranges, the capability of to detect at longest range and also threat mitigation at longest range. Okay, I'll quickly cover the ranges little later. This jammer has also got spoofer. Spoofer is something which is used for deceiving the drones or any airborne platform about its own position. GPS data is manipulated so that the person doesn't, the drone doesn't know where it is. So based on its wrong location, it will start moving towards another location. So that is what these two soft kill options we have, jammer and spoofer. In addition to this, we have a number of hard kill options. The first one is the weapon which you see here. There is a medium machine gun which is mounted on that. Not only the medium machine gun, we can mount any of the automatic weapons, HMGs, MMGs and NSVT weapons, any other cannon. Like we have already integrated Army Air Defense guns, the 40mm L70 already delivered, and currently we are working on the Zoo 23mm twin barrel gun also. In another couple of months that will also be available for delivery. So that is the hard kill options. In addition to the guns, which are the kinetic kills, we have non-kinetic kill options, that is a laser weapon and the high power microwaves, which is coming up very soon. And then we have micro missiles and the multi-barrel rocket launches for countering the swarm drones. Okay. In addition to this, we have very, very effective interceptor drones, which can be automatically launched from the system, which will take off, head towards the target, and when they come close to the target, there are multiple options of damaging the target, either by kamikaze roll, directly impacting, colliding with the target drone, or using small amount of explosive to blast near the target so that the target is destroyed. In addition to that, there are options of net deployment. It will go and fire a net which will entangle with the target drone and achieve that kill of the target drones. Now quickly coming to the ranges, the detection capability we have, the radars up to 12 kilometers for very small targets, and passive detector up to 15 kilometers and more based on the transmitted power of the targets. And the camera which you see here, it has got a for a 1 meter by 1 meter target, it has got a detection range of 7 kilometers and tracking range up to 6.5 kilometers. Okay, this is the larger system, and currently we are the ones who have delivered maximum to the Indian Defence Forces. Almost 120 systems we have delivered, or in the last 20 are in the process of delivery. 92 systems are already delivered and in service, and combat proven. Our systems were deployed and performed extremely well during Op Sindoor last year. Okay, plus we are also the only ones who have got wideband. Wideband means without any gap, from 100 megahertz, 70 megahertz till 12 gigahertz, without any gap, coverage in elevation up to 90 degrees, up to zenith, both radars and passive detection systems. So this is the main big version. Other than that, the infantry and the smaller units require smaller systems. What you see here on the right side is the man portable system, which can be taken physically by hand. Its detector is less than 20 kilos and jammer is about 35 kilos, and it has got jamming ranges up to 2 kilometers in omnidirectional. If you integrate a directional antenna, it can go more than 5 kilometers jamming. Then in addition to this, we are also coming up with infantry soldier version, which can be put on the back, which will be less than 20 kgs. Total 20 plus 10, 30 kgs, 2 soldiers can carry with them on the back, and they can detect and mitigate threats in their combat zone.